everyone, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your premier source for elevating outdoor spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you've been dreaming of turning that drab, forgotten patio space into a vibrant, fragrant, and utterly gorgeous floral escape, then you are in the right place. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of the patio flower garden. It's the perfect way to bring life, color, and a touch of nature right to your doorstep. We've got 10 breathtaking ideas coming up. But first, let's get into the why and the how of this amazing garden style. So, what exactly is a patio flower garden? Simply put, it's a dedicated display of flowering plants designed to thrive in your outdoor paved area, terrace, or deck. Unlike a traditional in-ground garden, a patio flower garden primarily utilizes containers, hanging baskets, window boxes, and raised beds. It's gardening for the modern home. It's flexible, manageable, and allows you to experiment with color and height right outside your door. It's all about creating an extension of your indoor living space, making your patio an open-air room that's bursting with natural beauty. The benefits of embracing this style are numerous. The biggest advantage is maximum impact in a small space. Even the tiniest balcony can host a stunning display. Since your plants are in containers, you have complete control over the soil quality and moisture, making it easier to cater to specific plant needs. And here's the best part: portability. You can move pots to follow the sun, shift them for a party, or even bring non-hardy plants indoors when the weather turns chilly. Beyond the practical, a patio flower garden is a sanctuary for your soul. The beautiful colors and sweet fragrances are proven to reduce stress and boost mood. Plus, a well-decorated patio increases your home's curb appeal and provides a lovely habitat for beneficial pollinators like bees and butterflies. It truly transforms a simple outdoor area into a functional, beautiful, and lively space. Now for the fun part. How do you decorate your patio flower garden to look absolutely beautiful? It all comes down to planning in layers. First, create visual depth by using the thriller, filler, and spiller container design method. Thriller plants are tall and dramatic, forming the centerpiece, or think cannas or ornamental grasses. Fillers are medium-height plants that add bulk, or like petunias or zinnias. And spillers cascade over the edge, softening the container, or like creeping jenny or sweet potato vine. Don't forget the containers themselves are decor. Mix materials: terracotta, glazed ceramic, rustic wood, or modern metal to add texture. You can group pots in odd numbers and vary their heights using plant stands or risers to avoid a flat look. Finally, integrate the flowers with your existing patio furniture, lighting, and textiles. Use pillows and rugs that pick up the colors of your blooms for a truly cohesive and inviting outdoor room. Choosing the right plants is key to a low-maintenance, high-impact garden. Here are some of the best choices. First, petunias or trailing and bush varieties. Known for their long blooming season and incredible range of colors, the spilling varieties are perfect for container edges. Second, impatiens. Ideal for shadier patios, offering brilliant color in areas where other flowers struggle. Third, daylilies or hemerocalis. As seen in idea number 5, they provide striking tall blooms and are extremely resilient. Fourth, geraniums or pelargonium. A classic choice, they are tough, heat-tolerant, and come in vibrant reds, pinks, and whites. Fifth, marigolds and zinnias. Both are excellent for sunny spots. Marigolds bring cheerful yellows and oranges, while zinnias offer a bold, mixed palette and attract butterflies. Sixth, hostas or ornamental foliage. Fantastic for adding texture and lush green or variegated color to shady areas, often paired beautifully with ferns. Seventh, ornamental grasses or like fountain grass. They provide movement, height, and a wonderful contrast to the soft flowers. All right, it's time for the main event. Let's count down the top 10 best patio flower garden ideas, using these stunning examples for inspiration. 1. The ultimate curb appeal masterpiece. This stunning, large, crescent-shaped garden bed is the definition of high-impact curb appeal, achieving a flawless balance between structure and exuberance. The design uses meticulous layering. The back features mid-height structural plants, while the foreground is a dense, color-block tapestry. Color selection is key, dominated by bold, warm hues like fire engine red, likely dense zinnias or begonias, and sunny yellow, possibly trailing petunias or calibrachoa, punctuated by drifts of crisp white and soft pink to provide visual rest. The entire border seamlessly transitions from the immaculate green lawn to the textured foundation of the home, creating a soft, welcoming edge. This method requires a high volume of plants but delivers a continuous, unforgettable bloom from early summer until frost. 2. The grand corner border. This lush, overflowing border exemplifies the cottage garden style, making maximum use of space at the corner of the yard. It focuses heavily on diverse textures and varying heights to create a natural, somewhat wild, yet deeply intentional aesthetic. The vertical elements are provided by tall, feathery ornamental grasses and bright yellow black-eyed Susans Rudbeckia, serving as thrillers. The midground is softened by bushy fillers like large pink phlox and creamy white hydrangeas, which add mass and light. Along the edge, red, white, and chartreuse ground cover plants spill gently onto the lawn, ensuring no bare soil is visible. The rich mix of perennial favorites guarantees repeat performance year after year, while pockets of annuals fill in the gaps for continuous seasonal color. 3. The Island of Blooms. A true masterpiece of symmetry and focus, the island bed provides a dramatic 360-degree focal point within the lawn. The design is built around a strong vertical anchor, in this case a small multi-tiered conifer, drawing the eye upward. From this center, the garden radiates outward in structured rings of color. The middle ring features bushy, multicolored annuals like petunias and impatiens, while the final ring along the perimeter consists of low-growing, dense ground cover like yellow sedum or purple verbena. The brilliant design flourish is the addition of small, uniform terracotta pots placed rim to rim along the outermost edge. This creates a neat, contained, and highly decorative finish, elevating the bed from a simple garden to a deliberate piece of landscape art. 4. The front porch welcome mat. This patio idea is all about symmetrical hospitality and creating a vivid, layered welcome to the front door. The structure starts with a low-level, ground-hugging floral carpet directly below the porch. This border is a dazzling ribbon of mixed annuals, masses of cheerful yellow and vibrant magenta, designed to be viewed from above. The design is enhanced by the perfectly placed lime green ceramic planters flanking the porch steps, which introduce a contrasting color and elevated height. These containers hold classic, bushy pink geraniums, linking the front bed's color palette to the porch's furniture, white rocking chairs, ensuring the entire entry is unified, balanced, and immensely inviting. 5. Cottage-style bed with architectural interest. This garden brilliantly utilizes a semicircular concrete block retaining wall, transforming a functional boundary into a design element. The rigid, clean lines of the stacked blocks provide a sharp, modern contrast to the soft, natural forms of the flowers within. The bed is designed for maximum vertical impact, featuring strong, sword-like foliage and tall, bright yellow daylilies, hemerocallis, that burst above the lower plantings. They are surrounded by a densely packed mix of bushy pink zinnias and deep red annuals that hide the soil. The height of the wall and the flowers places the colorful blooms at eye level, making this arrangement highly suitable for smaller patios where a vertical display is preferred over a sprawling one. 6. The classic rose circle. This is a demonstration of formal romantic garden design centered on the timeless beauty of the rose. The centerpiece is a circular garden ring, beautifully defined by a winding path of irregular flagstone pavers that invite visitors into the space. The bed is exclusively planted with several large, established rose bushes, showcasing a palette that ranges from soft pastel pinks and creams to deep, saturated yellows and reds. A traditional stone birdbath or pedestal anchors the middle, providing a vertical focal point and attracting wildlife. The entire composition is set against an impeccably maintained lawn and surrounded by mature, textural shrubs, making this a secluded, high-end, and deeply tranquil retreat. 7. Elevated raised bed display. A perfect solution for the contemporary patio or a hardscaped area. This design uses a modern, clean-lined wooden raised bed. The natural wood provides a warm, rustic backdrop that highlights the intense color of the flowers. Raising the bed to this height offers several benefits: superior drainage, easier accessibility for planting and maintenance, and a cleaner transition from the patio surface. It is densely packed with a cheerful, cool weather palette of pansies and violas in vivid purples, oranges, and yellows. The bed is strategically edged with dark mulch and a slate stepping stone path, cleanly separating the display from the lawn and ensuring a tidy, structured look. 8. The Tropical Oasis Corner. Ideal for a north-facing or heavily shaded patio, this garden proves that foliage can create just as much drama as flowers. The design is built around creating a lush, layered tapestry of green and textural accents. Large leaf hostas in varying shades from chartreuse to deep blue-green provide the primary structure and volume. They are interplanted with delicate ferns and vibrant accent foliage like colorful heuchera, which introduce rich burgundy, caramel, and lime tones. The occasional small, vibrant red or orange bloom provides a pop of color to the shadowy corner. The dense, layered planting mimics a rainforest understory, creating a private, cool, and deeply relaxing microclimate right at the house foundation. 9. Cozy Conversation Border. This idea focuses on seamlessly integrating a vibrant garden with an actual outdoor living room. The low, dense flower border is carefully scaled to not obstruct the view or overwhelm the seating area. Using mid-height red and white flowering annuals, like pentas or wax begonias, and purple spikes of salvia, the garden acts as a visual foreground to the stylish patio furniture. The design is perfected by using large, impactful containers holding tall, burgundy leaf cannas, which serve as dramatic, portable focal points, adding tropical flair and height. The final touch is the use of decorative, artistic panels on the fence, tying the design into a cohesive and visually stimulating outdoor space perfect for entertaining. 10. The Sunny Side Yard Meadow. This lengthy, continuous flower border along the white siding of the house effectively creates a pollinator-friendly, cheerful meadow aesthetic. The design successfully uses color blocking and mass planting for maximum visual effect. The contrast between the brilliant yellow of the black-eyed Susans, Rudbeckia, and Coreopsis against the deep blues of the hydrangeas and the lavender spikes of salvia is striking. The middle ground is filled with durable cottage garden staples like pink and red coneflowers, echinacea. This arrangement ensures that the border is alive with movement and color from early summer well into fall, making the transition between the manicured lawn and the home foundation look abundant and effortless. There you have it, 10 spectacular ways to transform your patio into a flowery paradise. Whether you choose the elegant simplicity of a raised bed or the bold chaos of a massive border, a patio flower garden will bring endless joy and beauty to your home. Which idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If this video inspired you to get your hands dirty, hit that like button, and if you want more garden decor tips and design secrets, be sure to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs and ring that notification bell. Happy gardening, everyone! We'll see you in the next video.